अस्सलाम वालेकुम। चॉइस न्यूज़ खुसूसी रिपोर्ट में आपका खैर मकदम है। आप हैं एडिटर इन चीफ चॉइस न्यूज़ मोहम्मद महमूद अजहर के साथ। पेश खिदमत है ये खुसूसी रिपोर्ट।
कैप्टन थोड़ा हटो। आइए आइए आइए।
मैडम 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 ऑरेंज टी।
Myself, Azra Sultana. I have been appointed here for 425 as a principal for Greenwich Academy School. I'm really, feeling proud being a part of this program. The students are very talented. The training what we have practiced with them, because I believe that sportsmanship is in every human, and today's time is the best time for children to come up with their bright futures. I don't go only with the part of examination point of view, because the child's future also can be made up by the sports field. So this is what CBSE also suggests us to encourage in the school's life, where they can pick up a game and move on further, because they can make up two multi-purpose careers, and they can win their life. So in short, we had a very wonderful time from past 20 days, and the games were going on in and out. We had taken stadiums, we did our work in our schools also. In school we had done internal mini matches, and every category I had focused, indoor, outdoor, every game. And believe me, we got awesome outcome, and I'm really happy because there I found that the students are absolute ready for this time, and they need only just to get set go, and that is what we also encourage. And I'm really glad to have such a talent here, because after seeing their energy of first term and then now in the sports, I'm sure in coming days we are going to send them for district and national level very soon. In past also they have done wonders, and in future also, inshallah, in my leadership, definitely will bring a very bright color for the coming years and years. And of course academic programs are very well here, very nice. And from the day we started, behalf of by opening of this sports event with Miss Pratyusha, she is the awesome, she carries a very bright biodata. She is from chess background. She was a part of Morning Hour, and now Mr. Edward has accompanied her. And after this, Mr. Anupam is shortly going to come. These three guests which I have picked for today, I'm sure it will be a very strong message for my parents, my students, and of course for us also. It's a very big motivation point, so that in coming days, even faculties are ready to join some academies now, because they have seen such very wonderful matches here in and out. So I'm sure we are going to rock this year with many more surprises. Thank you so much for giving me value, and thank you so much for giving me time, especially for media people, that you have come here all the way from your schedule, And today is Children's Day. Yes, I have a message for my children as well, that yes, we are here to Chakde and we will definitely do wonders, and I'm just waiting for very more positive point of parents as well to come up with us, so that unitedly we stand and we make the things out. Thank you so much.
टू वन ऑफ आज हम स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर। मैं सबसे पहले अपने आप को तारुफ करा दूँ, मैं अली हैदर हूँ, ग्रीनिच एकेडमी स्कूल का डायरेक्टर हूँ। ठीक है, आज हम जो ना, जैसे आप शोर वगैरह सुन रहे हैं, तो इस स्पोर्ट्स डे सेलिब्रेट हो रहा है। एवरी ईयर हम एक इवेंट सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, आदर स्पोर्ट्स डे या फिर जो ना एनुअल डे। तो इस साल जो ना हम स्पोर्ट्स डे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं। स्पोर्ट्स की इम्पोर्टेंस CBSE स्कूल में बहुत होती है। अब आजकल आप देख रहे हो कि जो ना ओलंपिक्स में कितने सारे लोग जो ना पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, और इंडिया में कितने सारे लॉरेंस आ रहे हैं स्पोर्ट्स को लेकर। अर्लियर आप देखते थे कि स्पोर्ट्स का उतना वैल्यू नहीं होता था, सिर्फ एजुकेशन के पीछे जाते थे लोग। नाउ द टाइम हैज़ चेंज, एवरीवन इज़ वॉलिंग स्पोर्ट्स। सो आप देख रहे हो कि कितने सारे मेडल्स आ रहे हैं इंडिया में। हमें उसी तरह से जो ना हम स्टूडेंट्स को इनकरेज करते हैं डिफरेंट स्पोर्ट्स में जाए, नॉट ओनली वन स्पोर्ट्स लाइक क्रिकेट। हर कोई क्रिकेट खेलता है, बट अभी हम यहाँ पर देखिए फुटबॉल का बहुत क्रेज़ है बच्चों में। काफ़ी बच्चे फुटबॉल खेलते हैं, बास्केटबॉल खेलते हैं, बैडमिंटन। सो दीज स्पोर्ट्स आर नॉट वेरी फेमस आउटसाइड, पर यहाँ पर जो ना ये स्पोर्ट्स काफ़ी फेमस है हमारे पास। और एवरी स्पोर्ट्स को हम उतना ही इंपॉर्टेंस देते हैं। डिपेंड्स स्टूडेंट्स के ऊपर होता है कि अगर वो उसको पसंद करते हैं तो वी एनकरेज देम टू टेक पार्ट इन इट। सो देयर इज़ नो रेस्ट्रिक्शन फ्रॉम आवर एंड, वी एनकरेज स्टूडेंट्स टू टेक वॉट एवर स्पोर्ट्स दे लाइक। एंड आई विश आज जो ना हम मेहमान खुशी के लिए जो ना प्रीतिशा मैम को बुलाए थे। शी इज़ अ फेमस इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर इन चेस, एंड शी हैज़ ब्रॉट सो मेनी लॉरल्स टू द कंट्री, एज यू आर ऑल अवेयर ऑफ इट। एंड गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर जो ना एडवर्ड सर हैं, जो हॉकी के प्लेयर रह चुके हैं, एंड ही ऑल्सो हैज़ 147 कैप ऑन हिज हेड। एंड एट द सेम टाइम ही वॉज अ कैप्टन फॉर इंडियन टीम इन 1996, and alhamdulillah he has done well, obviously with और एमन सर भी आ रहे हैं, अनुपम सर अनदर गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर है। ही इज़ ऑल्सो यस, वो स्केटिंग से उनका ताल्लुक़ है, एंड ही ऑल्सो डन वेरी गुड इन हिज ओन फील्ड अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। और जो ना मतलब आज आ रहे हैं, आप लोग विटनेस करेंगे उनको भी इंशाल्लाह। So that is all. I mean, I wish you all the very best for your kids, especially. Please enjoy the show. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm Pratyusha Bodda, Women Grandmaster in chess. I also represented India in Chess Olympiad twice. So I'm Women Grandmaster after Konere Hampi and Dronwale Harika in the Telugu states. I also run chess academies at Hyderabad. So here today I was invited as guest at Greenwich School. I had really great time, thanks to the director sir and the principal ma'am for having me here today. So the school is really nice, well organized. The event, everything went well. I have seen a lot of kids and everyone is very disciplined. So chala happy ga anpichindi. I really wish I'll come back to witness more events. It's a sport day and I congratulations all the winners. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. It's a pleasure me being over here on the sports day of the Greenwich Academy, and it's a wonderful day being a children's day. So they conducted this sports on the children's day, and it will be remembered by all the boys and girls. And seeing the boys and girls, I'm also feeling like the younger days, and I wish these boys and girls come out and excel in any sports which they are interested. So we cannot force them. It is up to them which sport they take, and they should come up and play for the state and play for the national team. I wish them all the best, one and all. God bless one and all. Thank you.
Welcome and good afternoon. I am very much honored to be here, a part of Greenwich Academy. I am very much thankful to Ali sir, to Azra ma'am and to Edward sir, who has given the precious time. And today we are going to celebrate Sports Day with a very energetic and enthusiastic students. Like they are going to perform their skills. Like Ali sir has been giving the preference for the sports, so that every child should learn every sports. Like a sound mind and a sound body, which reflects their character, which reflects their discipline in every aspect. Sports teaches the discipline. So I request all the viewers with the parents from Greenwich Academy and those who are watching us, please encourage your children to put them in forward to the field of sports. Thank you. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
इस खुसूसी रिपोर्ट को हमारे नुमाइंदे मीर हैदर अली ने आप तक पहुंचाया। अब चॉइस न्यूज़ चीफ एडिटर मोहम्मद महमूद अजहर को इजाज़त दीजिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़।